looking for your next Red Sea escape. Let's dive deep into what Desert Rose Resort in Hurghada has to offer. This 5-star beachfront property has been making waves in Egypt's resort scene, and today we're breaking down everything you need to know before you book. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic getaway, or just need some serious time away from the daily grind, this comprehensive review will help you decide if Desert Rose Resort is your perfect match. Let's start with where you'll be resting your head. Desert Rose Resort offers an impressive variety of accommodation options designed to suit different travel styles and budgets. The standard rooms are anything but standard, featuring contemporary designs with Egyptian-inspired touches that remind you where you are without going overboard on the theme. These rooms typically come equipped with modern amenities including air conditioning, flat-screen televisions, minibars, and private balconies or terraces. The views vary depending on your room location, with options overlooking the lush gardens, sparkling pools, or the stunning Red Sea itself. If you're willing to spend a bit more, the sea view rooms are absolutely worth considering, especially during sunrise when the light hits the water just right. For those seeking extra space and luxury, the resort's suite options take things up several notches. These larger accommodations often feature separate living areas, upgraded furnishings, and enhanced bathroom facilities with premium toiletries and sometimes even whirlpool tubs. The suites are perfect for families who need that extra room to spread out or couples celebrating special occasions who want that added touch of romance and privacy. Family suites deserve special mention as they're thoughtfully designed with connecting rooms or additional sleeping areas to accommodate parents and children comfortably. These rooms often include child-friendly amenities and extra storage space for all that beach gear and vacation equipment families tend to accumulate. The resort also pays attention to accessibility, offering rooms designed for guests with mobility requirements, ensuring everyone can enjoy their Red Sea vacation comfortably. What really stands out about the accommodations is the attention to detail in the finishing touches. The beds are comfortable with quality linens, the bathrooms are well-maintained and spacious enough to not feel cramped, and the balconies or terraces provide genuine outdoor living space rather than just being token additions. Housekeeping maintains high standards throughout the property, and the rooms stay fresh and clean throughout your stay. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any all-inclusive resort experience, the food and drink situation. Desert Rose Resort takes its dining seriously, offering multiple restaurants and bars to keep your taste buds entertained throughout your stay. The main restaurant serves international buffet-style meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and this is where most guests will spend a good portion of their dining time. The breakfast spread is particularly impressive, featuring everything from traditional Egyptian breakfast items to continental favorites, fresh fruits, pastries, made-to-order eggs, and plenty of coffee to get your day started right. The lunch and dinner buffets rotate themes throughout the week, giving you variety and preventing that dreaded resort food fatigue that can set in when you're eating at the same place for several days straight. Beyond the main buffet restaurant, the resort offers specialty dining venues that require reservations but are included in the all-inclusive package. These typically include an Italian restaurant where you can enjoy freshly made pasta dishes, wood-fired pizzas, and classic Italian desserts in a more intimate setting than the main buffet. There's usually an Asian restaurant offering a mix of Chinese, Thai, and other regional favorites, perfect for when you're craving those bold, spicy flavors. Some guests report there's also a seafood-focused venue where the catch of the day gets prepared in various styles, showcasing the incredible Red Sea seafood that's available in this region. The quality of food in the specialty restaurants generally receives positive feedback, though as with any resort, some nights are better than others depending on how busy the kitchen is. The bars scattered throughout the property keep the drinks flowing from morning until late night. The pool bar is obviously a popular spot during the day, serving up cold beers, cocktails, soft drinks, and snacks to keep you fueled while you're soaking up the sun. The lobby bar provides a more relaxed atmosphere for evening drinks, while the beach bar lets you enjoy your beverages with your toes in the sand. The bartenders generally know their stuff and can mix up classic cocktails as well as create some resort special drinks. The all-inclusive package typically covers local alcoholic beverages and international drinks, though premium brands might come with an extra charge depending on your package level. One thing worth noting is that the dining experience can vary depending on the season and how full the resort is. During peak times, the restaurants can get busy, and you might face waits for tables at the specialty venues if you don't book ahead. But overall, most guests find the variety and quality sufficient to keep them satisfied throughout their stay. The pool and beach facilities are where Desert Rose Resort really shines, and let's be honest, this is probably where you'll be spending most of your vacation time anyway. The resort features multiple swimming pools catering to different preferences and age groups. The main pool is the centerpiece of the resort's outdoor area, a large, beautifully designed pool with plenty of depth for actual swimming rather than just wading around. This pool is surrounded by meticulously maintained gardens and palm trees that provide natural shade in certain areas while leaving plenty of space for sun worshippers to catch those rays. The pool area features numerous sun loungers, and while finding a spot during peak season might require getting up a bit earlier than you'd like on vacation, there's generally enough seating for everyone. Umbrellas and shade structures are positioned throughout the pool deck, giving you options if you need a break from the direct sun. There's typically a separate pool designed for families with children, featuring shallower water and sometimes water features or slides that keep the younger guests entertained for hours. This separation works well because it means adults who want a quieter pool experience can stick to the main pool while families with energetic kids have their own space. Some areas of the resort might also include a dedicated adults-only pool section, perfect for those seeking peace and quiet or couples wanting a more romantic atmosphere. The pool bars keep refreshments close at hand, so you never have to go far for a cold drink or light snack. Now let's talk about the beach, because that Red Sea coastline is probably a major reason you're considering this resort in the first place. Desert Rose Resort boasts direct beach access with a private stretch of sandy coastline reserved for guests. The beach is well maintained with regular cleaning, and the resort provides sun loungers, umbrellas, and beach towels so you don't have to haul anything down from your room. The Red Sea is famous for its incredible marine life and crystal clear waters, and the beach here doesn't disappoint. The water entry is generally good, though like many Red Sea beaches, there can be some rocky or coral areas, so water shoes are recommended if you have sensitive feet. The resort typically offers water sports and activities right from the beach, which might include things like snorkeling equipment rental, paddleboarding, kayaking, and possibly even windsurfing or kitesurfing depending on conditions and season. The snorkeling here deserves special mention because the Red Sea is one of the world's premier snorkeling destinations, and you can often see colorful fish and coral formations right from the resort's beach without needing to take a boat trip. For certified divers or those wanting to learn, the resort usually has connections with local dive centers that can arrange everything from beginner courses to advanced dive trips to famous Red Sea sites. The beach area also features a bar serving drinks and snacks, beach volleyball courts, and sometimes organized activities like beach games or aqua aerobics to keep things lively. The combination of multiple pools and direct beach access means you have plenty of options for how to spend your water time, and you can easily alternate between pool and beach throughout the day depending on your mood. When it comes to staying active and entertained, Desert Rose Resort offers a solid range of activities to keep you busy if lounging by the pool isn't enough for you. The fitness center is typically well equipped with modern cardio machines, weight training equipment, and free weights, allowing you to maintain your workout routine even while on vacation. The gym usually features air conditioning, which is absolutely essential in Hurghada's climate, and often has views over the resort grounds or sea to make those treadmill sessions a bit more pleasant. Some resorts in this category offer group fitness classes like aerobics, water aerobics in the pool, or beach yoga sessions, which are great ways to start your day with some movement and meet other guests. Tennis enthusiasts will usually find courts available for use either complimentary or for a small fee, and sometimes the resort can arrange lessons or organize friendly tournaments among guests. Other sports facilities might include beach volleyball courts, table tennis, and dart boards scattered around the property. The Accommodation team, a staple of Egyptian resort culture, typically organizes daily activities and entertainment throughout the day and into the evening. These might include pool games, dance classes, language lessons, or cultural activities that give you a taste of Egyptian traditions. While some travelers love the Accommodation team's energy and enthusiasm, others find it a bit much, but the good news is participation is always optional, and you can engage as much or little as you like. Evening entertainment often includes live music, themed shows, traditional dance performances, or other productions in the resort's theater or outdoor amphitheater. The quality of entertainment can be hit or miss, as is common with resort shows, but it's included in your stay and provides a nice option for after-dinner activity. For For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, the staff can typically help arrange excursions to local attractions, desert safaris, boat trips, or cultural tours. These usually come at an additional cost but are convenient to book through the resort. The spa and wellness facilities provide that extra layer of relaxation and pampering that can transform a good vacation into an exceptional one. Desert Rose Resort Spa typically offers a comprehensive menu of treatments designed to help you unwind and rejuvenate. The spa environment itself is usually designed as a tranquil oasis, separate from the busier areas of the resort, with calming decor, soft lighting, and that peaceful atmosphere that immediately makes you feel more relaxed. Treatment options generally include various types of massages, from classic Swedish and deep tissue to hot stone therapies and aromatherapy sessions. Facial treatments using quality skincare products help combat the drying effects of sun and sea, while body scrubs and wraps incorporate local ingredients and traditional techniques. Many guests particularly enjoy treatments that incorporate regional elements, giving you that authentic experience while being thoroughly pampered. The spa facilities typically extend beyond just treatment rooms to include a sauna and steam room, perfect for a post-treatment relaxation session or just as a standalone wellness experience. Some spas in this category also feature a jacuzzi or hydrotherapy area where jets and bubbles work their magic on tired muscles. These facilities are sometimes included with treatments or available for a small additional fee. The spa staff are usually well-trained and professional, creating a welcoming environment whether you're a spa regular or trying treatments for the first time. It's worth noting that spa treatments typically cost extra beyond the all-inclusive package, so factor that into your budget if you're planning to indulge. Prices are generally reasonable compared to Western spa standards, making it tempting to treat yourself more than you might at home. Booking ahead is recommended, especially during busy periods, as appointment slots can fill up quickly. Some resorts also offer wellness programs or packages that combine multiple treatments over several days, which can provide both value and a more comprehensive wellness experience. Whether you're looking to soothe sore muscles after activities, give your skin some extra care, or simply carve out some dedicated relaxation time, the spa facilities add significant value to the overall resort experience. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.